Hello everyone. Welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb sell out and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb sell out can mean to sell all of a product until none of it is left. This phrasal verb is often used to talk about tickets for events. I wanted to go to see the match, but all the tickets sold out months beforehand. If a product is high in demand, it might sell out quickly. The new games console has completely sold out across the country before Christmas. The news has announced that there will be a hurricane and people need to stay indoors. People have been stocking up on items to have in their home. A shopkeeper is interviewed. We have sold out of bread and bottled water, and we expect to sell out of milk very soon. If someone sells out, it can mean to do something that proves you no longer have the same ethical or moral principles. An executive argues against a proposal to change to a cheaper but less eco-friendly supplier. Our company used to stand for sustainability and eco-friendly principles. If we change now, we will be accused of selling out. The government is under scrutiny for allowing generous tax breaks for global companies. It can't be right for the government to sell out its people to provide tax breaks to some of the world's biggest companies. A woman is discussing the change she has noticed in her friend. He used to be a stand-up man with good principles. Now he is callous and ruthless and would do anything to make a quick buck. He has completely sold out. To sell out can also mean to sell part or all of your business. A marketing expert is giving a presentation about small brands being controlled by big companies. Consumers would be surprised to hear the number of small companies that have sold out to large corporations. A small family business is considering an offer to buy their shop. I'm just not sure if it's the right time to sell out. We might get more money if we wait another year or two. So, to sum up, sell out can mean to sell all of a product until none of it is left. To sell out of bread, or the tickets to the show are all sold out. To sell out can mean to do something that proves you no longer have the same ethical or moral principles. He completely sold out on his family and moved in with another woman. To sell out can mean to sell part or all of your business. Many startup companies choose to sell out to large multinationals. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.